Hey geeks, and so if you're brand new to the world of cameras, one thing that you're gonna have to have is some type of camera charger. And today I'm gonna be showing you the main types of camera chargers that you could get and why one is probably one that you want to avoid. And so if the camera provider does give you a charger, you might get something like this. So this is for my Panasonic Lumix camera. It just flips out, you plug it into the wall, and I have another one for an older Sony camera, and it works pretty much the same way. So that's the first one, really easy, and it's really meant for one battery. And so the second type of charger is the one that you should avoid. And so as you can see here, it actually has two different battery slots, nothing wrong with that. But the problem is when you turn it around. So as you can see here, the cord is not very long, and the worst thing is it is permanently attached to this charger. And while although you might not think this is a problem, whenever you plug this into a wall, it's basically always going to be hanging. And about the only time it's not going to be hanging is if you have a very short outlet to the surface or you put something underneath it. But this is just a pain, especially if you're the type of person who travels or something. You plug it in a wall, it's always going to be hanging. And so if you do see this style of charger or it's permanently attached to it, then I highly recommend that you avoid this. And so the last type of charger is very similar to the one I just showed you, but there's one huge advantage, and that is the fact that you could actually detach this cable, and then you can use a longer cable if you wanted to, or even a shorter one. It really depends on what you want to do. And this is the type of charger that I recommend. So if you're looking for a camera charger, be sure that this part right here that you can actually detach, that will give you a lot more flexibility. Or get one of the other ones that just plugs into a wall, so that way you don't have to worry about your batteries hanging whenever you are charging them. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other type of chargers that you use for your cameras, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my gear and tech reviews, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.